Tired of fumbling around in your home in the dark? Ever wish you had a guiding light to help you out? Hi, Mark Gill here for Mighty Light, the amazing motion-censored LED light for hands-free illumination inside and outside. Now you can have high-powered LED light anytime, anywhere. From the privacy of your own bedroom and bath to outdoor security, wherever you may need it. Installation is simple. Just stick on the base and slide on the light, so you and your kids will have no fright. And the built-in off timer means no switches and no messy wires. The secret is our powerful sensor system, the photo sensor that detects darkness and the motion sensor that triggers the energy-efficient LED lights, so it only works when you need it to. Nothing is better under the kitchen counter, perfect inside utility sheds. Use them outside for a wireless light for gates or add beauty and safety to your deck or patio. And only the Mighty Light can light the way to keep you safe on a rainy day. Traditional lights are expensive and a hassle to change every year. The Mighty Light guarantees years of beauty and performance, and that means saving you money. The Mighty Light is perfect for that extra set of hands when you really need them, and it's a must-have for basements, attics, or under the stairs. Even if the power goes out, the Mighty Light works without a doubt. Don't forget, pets love the Mighty Light to guide them at feeding time. So stop paying electricians hundreds to install electrical outlets and finally cut that electric bill with efficient LED technology.